Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an aesthetic looking pearl necklace. This necklace is elegant and perfect for daily wears. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's see the materials required. Thin gold chain, small pearls, fuse wire. We are also going to need pliers, which is round nose plier, flat nose plier and cutter. Next we are going to need necklace hook. And lastly we need a scale. First cut the chain in small parts in 1.5 inches each. The pieces of chain you cut depends on the length of your necklace. Start cutting same length 1.5 inches for the small chain. Here I have cut accordingly to my length. Next you are going to ready your pearl beads. Now cut the end of a fuse wire. And then add a small pearl bead. Next add a small chain we cut. And then you are going to twist your fuse wire using a round nose plier. Now cut the excess fuse wire using a cutter. Make a loop at the end to add the next pearl. Watch the steps carefully as shown in the video. Repeat the same steps but add the next fuse wire to the last loop we made. Now let's revise the steps one more time. First cut the end of a fuse wire. Add the pearl and the chain next. Put it through the last loop and twist it. And at last make the loop again. And cut the excess fuse wire with the cutter. Repeat the process till desired length. You can use your creativity to make your own pattern for your necklace. I added 3 pearls and then added the small chain we cut. I have reached till my desired length now. I made the rest of the necklace the same way. Check the length of the necklace to make sure once again. Lastly, add the hook at the end of the necklace. And our elegant and beautiful necklace is ready. This necklace takes time and patience to make, but it's worth it because of its aesthetic look. Will you try to make this necklace? Comment down in the comment box below. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Till our next video, bye bye and take care.